What?
Maybe she'll come.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning,
Walaikum
girls.
assalam.
How are you?
Fine.
Good.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello. Sorry, Lynn, to keep you wait. I was there and I could hear you all, but we have to wait for your friends only for 3 or 5 minutes. Okay, that's it. That's why I was muting my microphone. Great.
Okay. Miss, can I do something in this 4 to 5 minutes?
Yes, you can do whatever you want as long as you are listening to me. You know what I'm talking about. You can do whatever you want. Okay, my dear?
Teacher, we have
Yes.
to wait for the other students to log in.
We already waited for 3 minutes, so we can wait for 2 more minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Please mute your microphone, Lee. Please, everyone, please mute your mics. Yes. Thank you. Okay, grade 4. Let's start now. You can unmute your microphone as long as you promise that you will follow up the rules and keep quiet. All right, girls? Because you are big now. Okay, welcome to our science class. Definitely you know my name. My name is Miss Al-Anud and I'm going to teach you science. First, we have to follow the rules and see our rules of online classes. I will start with Lynn Bafayat, and then Maria.
Yes, teacher.
I want you to read the rules for us. First, I will start with you. Then Maria, you can go ahead after Lynn. Then Rita.
Do I read it all?
Then Rayana. Okay? Yes.
Do I read it all?
Start, Lynn Bafayat.
I mean all of it, and then
No, my dear. I want you to read only one rule, please. First, you have to
sign in on time.
Excellent. Thank you. You have to sign in on time. Yes, Maria. And then
some quiet places to study.
Bravo, Rital. You have to
listen.
Yes, listen. Okay, then Rihanna.
Here.
Rihanna.
Look at your screen.
Look at the screen. Excellent. Who's there too? I want Talia.
Talia.
Sorry, I was in the bathroom.
It's okay, Talia. It's okay if she's in the bathroom. Okay, what about?
Find some quiet places to study.
Excellent. What about here, over here? Can you see the highlighter?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can you read this
That looks
one,
like a laser beam.
Talia?
Tell you already read.
Yeah, I read.
Talia? I know you
Raise your
read.
hand.
Excellent. Raise your hand. Rital, please.
Answer when the teacher calls your name.
Excellent. Rayana.
Don't draw at the screen.
On the screen. Excellent. Liam Bafayad. What is the last one?
Wait, I can't see it. Oh, there. Don't talk to your friends.
Excellent.
Don't chat to your friends.
Excellent. So these are our online rules in the classroom. Let's see what we are going to learn today. Oh, we are going to talk about the revision. We have revision part 1. First of all, today is
Sunday.
Sunday. Excellent. Today is Sunday.
My lucky
The
day.
date is
Same.
6th of September 2020. And we are studying Yay! Okay, let's take this revision. This is revision part 1.
At one.
What are ecosystem, community, and population? What are these three? Do you remember
Last
these
time I learned
three?
this. Yeah, and I don't know what they mean. I don't remember them actually.
Why?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Oh.
Okay, let me refresh your
Teacher, I literally
memory.
don't know.
Okay, let me refresh your memory. Look at this
recognize it.
picture. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
I see the ocean where I live.
Seaweed, ocean.
Ocean.
Ocean where?
Okay, you see water. What about here?
Yeah.
Fish.
Wait, dolphins and whales.
This
Dolphin or whale?
okay.
This is
Maria
fish.
Al-Faleh, what else do you see?
Miss.
Maria, yeah, please unmute your microphone.
I see a seagull.
Okay.
Will we be using these?
Okay, what about these? What are these over here? Hi, Rital. Yes, Rital.
They are rocks.
Rocks?
They're rocks.
What about this over here? Above the surface?
Sand.
Sand. This
Sand.
is sand. Excellent. Okay, is sand a living thing or non-living? Excellent. Non-living. What about the water? Is it living or non-living?
Non-living.
It's living.
No, water is non-living. What about fish?
Because it can't feel.
What about fish? Are fishes living or non-living?
Living.
Living.
Okay, so how many kinds do I have in this picture?
2
Two kinds. What
two
are they?
unlivings
Living and
and non-living.
when living things and non-living things in one place, and do they need each other?
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely they need each other because the fish
So they can
needs
make it like
water.
the real ocean.
Yes, the fish needs the water to live in, and they need the
The
grass.
turtles need the sand.
Turtles needs the sand. Excellently, in Bafayab. Okay, all these.
Fish need the grass.
Yes, excellent. So they are interacting together in one place. We call this place ecosystem. What do you call this place? ecosystem. So please, everyone, mute your microphone. I want Maria Al-Faleh to read for me.
Okay.
Everyone, please mute your microphone. Now, Maria, read for me. All
All
of
of
the
the living things and non-living things in an area make up an environment. The living things in an environment includes people, plants, and animals. The non-living things include water, air, soil, and weather. All of the living things in the area, and it doesn't show my screen.
Oh, you can't see? Okay. So, all living and non-living things in an area and their interactions make up an ecosystem. So, and again, in this picture, you can see living things and non-living things, they all in one place and they are interacting together. They need each other. See, the rabbit needs what? Needs the grass, also needs the carrots
Water.
needs the water, needs the air. What about the tree? The tree is a living thing, but it needs the sun and air to grow and make their food. What about
The
fishes?
bunny can't breathe without trees.
Fishes eat the water.
Yes. So what's an ecosystem again? Rital, because you raised your hand. Yes, Rital.
The ecosystem is when non-living things and living things are together.
And they interact together. Bravo, excellent, great answer. Okay, take a look at this picture and tell me, what do you see? Do you know how to raise your hand on the chat?
Yes. I did it.
I don't know
I
how.
did.
Okay, let's see. Okay, where's the hands? Oh, Lynn, Bafayat, and Rayana. Okay, Rayana. First, let's start with the Rayana and then Lynn, all right?
Okay.
Rayana, tell me, what do you see over here? Let me show you my highlighter. Okay, over here. What is this? The first part of this. This is a living thing. Is it one or more than one?
One.
One living thing. One living thing. What do I call it?
A living thing?
We call it, can you read this one? See?
Underneath.
Organism.
Organism?
Yes, we call it an organism. When you have only one thing of one kind of a living thing, we call it organism. It's only one thing of living thing. Okay, one person, we call it organism. What about Yaleen? Lynn, see this picture? These are
Has so many reindeers.
Okay, is it one kind or too many?
No. Too many.
Too many kinds? How many kinds?
No, there's only one kind.
Only one kind?
It's called a population.
So a population means whenever you have so many number
I really wanted to do
of
this
one kind. Say it, Lynn. You have so many number of one kind. If I have so many number of zebra, only zebra, do I still call it a population?
No.
Why?
It's called community.
Why? If I have only one kind of a living thing, so many number of one kind.
It's called a population, though.
Yes, excellent. Okay, I want
Miss, I have a question.
Please ask me, my dear.
At the end.
In the ecosystem, we
Yes.
need trees and water and everything. What do we need the rocks for?
Oh, this is a great question. Who can answer her? Why do we need rocks? Rocks do what? Anyone?
Miss, I know.
Okay, can you tell me?
Rocks build houses.
Yes, exactly. What else? Okay, imagine a turtle. See the bird over here? Look at the bird. The bird is standing on this rock so he can drink water from it. So rocks can be helpful in many ways. Do you know that?
But it's just a rock.
No, it's not just a rock. Rocks can help us in many ways. So we have to say Subhanallah because God made it. Yes, God made it, so I'm sure it's useful and helpful. You can look up for it. Now let's go back to our revision. When you have so many number, okay, of one kind, of one deer, of the kind of deer or the kind of zebra, we call it population.
Population.
Okay, Talia. Talia?
Yes.
Tell me, Talia, go to the next picture and see. Tell me, what do you have?
We have zebras, we have deers, we have
Ox.
lions at the back.
Oh.
We have weird animals
Okay, do I call
eating
it
grass.
population? How many kinds
No.
of animals do I have?
Community.
It's a
community.
community.
Don't say weird because God made it.
Yes, of course, we say Subhanallah because God made it. All right, my dear, if you have so many different kinds in one place, so you have so many different population on one place, we call it a community. Do I call these bunch of donkeys or what are these? Who can tell me what are these? Yes. Yes, what are these, my dear?
They're oxen.
Yes, excellent. Okay, these bunch of oxes, what do I call them? Okay, this is population of oxes.
Their population.
Yes, excellent. If I have population of lions, oxes, zebras, deer,
Zebras.
they are all in one place, all population of living things in one place. I call them a
Community.
excellent, excellent, great job, great 4, mashallah. I love how you are interacting. Okay, what about this picture? Look at this picture. What do I have here? We said we have non-living and living things
And living.
all in one place. So I call them
It's the
eco.
ecosystem.
Excellent. Great.
Ecosystem.
Answer when the teacher says your name.
Great
Don't
job.
just, like, answer right away.
Great job. Excellent. Let's see. What is the difference between a population, community, and ecosystem? I want to start with Maria, please. Maria Al-Faleh, can you start? Tell me what's an ecosystem? Ecosystem must have 2 things. What are they?
Non-living things and living things.
Excellent, exactly. Leen Bafayad, tell me, what's a community?
A community is like different pair of animals together.
Excellent. Okay, Rital, tell me, what's a population?
It's when a big group of the same animal together.
Same kind of a living thing. Excellent, excellent, great job. job. I'm so proud of you. So a population here, as you can see, a group of organisms of the same kind living in the same place. See?
Same place.
Yes, same kind living in the same place. I want to know the number of owls all living in one place. I want to know the population of owls. What about people? Can I consider people living things?
Yes.
Okay, if I want to know the number of people who lives in Riyadh, I am asking about the community or the population?
Population.
Definitely. Excellent, Rital. Okay, someone else, Talia. A community is what?
A community is like a lot of people in one place, but not a lot.
Only people? Or people?
No animals.
Yes. People and animals and trees and all living things interacting together. Only
Trees
living
are
things.
living.
Yes, it's only
are-
about, yes, trees are living things. They make food, they grow up.
And they
true.
also can die.
Yes, they also can die. So a community is all about living things. But whenever you are putting living things with
don't do
non-living,
that,
you are
don't do that.
making an ecosystem. And then
Don't
a
do that.
population
Like
is
a
all
world.
about one type of a living thing. All right?
One time.
Yes, one type, only one kind.
Miss,
Yes?
This, if we have a population and they have not living things, is that an ecosystem?
If you have a
Because
living
they're
thing
living-
and non-living
It's like
thing,
a group.
yes?
It's a group of stuff, and they have rocks. Rocks are not living, so that means they are an ecosystem.
If it has a living thing and both they interact with each other, they need each other, maybe fighting for a living, sharing food, or sharing a place to live in, or whatever. So yes, this is an ecosystem. An ecosystem, living and non-living, they must interact with each other. They have to do something. Maybe they share the same food, maybe they share the same air, maybe they fight for the place to live, whatever they are interacting. So we call it an ecosystem. Is there any question?
yes, me, Rayan.
Yes, Leanne. Hello, hi, how are you?
Fine.
Didn't see you before. Okay,
Miss, I
ask
can't
me.
open my video because there is a problem with the
It's
settings
okay.
of the video.
It's okay, my dear. Can you see the screen? This is the most important
Yes.
thing. Okay,
Yes.
great. Now, do you understand population and ecosystem and community? Is it clear
Yes,
for
but
you?
I have a different question.
Ask me, my dear.
Miss,
Ask me.
what if we brought the non-living things, like we brought rocks and
Yes.
water?
Okay.
Does it share the same name?
Both of them are non-living.
No, I mean like with the living, we use community and population. Also, the non-living, does it share the same name?
No, my dear. Population is all about living things and also community about living things. So they don't share the same name. Now I got your question. No, my dear. Only living things, the same kind of living things together when I want to know about the number. Population is all about the number. You are counting how many we have zebras in one place, how many we have penguin in one place, how many do we have people, or I want to know the population of this class. How many people here we are in this class? Can you tell me the population of our class?
9.
Yes. Yes.
9.
How? How many?
9.
9.
Nine,
Excellent.
9.
We are 9.
9.
See? The population, because we are 9 people in this classroom. Okay, what about community? Community, we have to count all the living things. That's it. How many living things are there with us? That's it. You don't count the chairs, tables, whatever. If we have cats, we have to count the cats. And if we have turtles or some birds or some trees, we are going to count them for the community. But really, counting goes with the
Are we today
population.
going? Okay. Today, are we going to also learn about the non-living words if they were all together, like the same
No,
thing,
no, but we
or
can.
in another class?
Yes, we can do it in another class. Okay, now what do you see over here, Leanne? Do I call this a community or ecosystem or population?
Population.
Definitely. Okay, Leen Bafayad. The first one on the right, this is population of what?
Population of elephants.
Excellent. Rital, the second picture on the left, you see population of what?
Of deers.
Excellent, bravo. What about this, Rayana? The over here, black and white, population of what?
Zebra.
Excellent. Who else? Who's there?
Me.
Okay, answer me. Over here, this is a population of what?
Penguins.
Penguins. Excellent. Great job. Okay, over here, we are going to make a small activity. You have ecosystem, community, and population, 3 circles. It's really a great activity if you want to do it on your notebook. This is, it's okay, it's only
I'm gonna do
optional.
it. I'm not gonna do it on my notebook. I want to do it with you.
It's optional, okay? Ecosystem must have what?
Must have community or something.
Must have living and
non-living things.
Exactly.
The non-living things are that. Whatever.
Helpful.
Okay.
How do we do it in our notebook? Do we write the names or do we draw
You draw 3 circles inside each other, just like this one. Look, the first circle is about ecosystem. The second one is about community. And the third one is about population. Okay?
Okay, I wrote the 3 circles. What do I do
Okay,
now?
I'm done.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay.
Here.
Can you still see my
Teacher.
screen?
What are you
Yes.
doing? What are you doing?
Who's
are
singing?
you doing?
Who's singing?
Lean.
Can you mute your microphone, please, Lean?
Okay.
You mean
Please
Mona?
do not draw on my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Liana, my dear, an ecosystem must have living and non-living things. Can you choose something from here to put inside an ecosystem to make up an ecosystem? Do I need these bunch of flowers? Liana? Do I need...
Living things and non-living things.
Excellent. Do I need these bunch of flowers? Where should I put these bunch of flowers? Bunch of flowers are bunch of living things. Where should I put them?
Ecosystem.
Okay, great. I'm going to put it in ecosystem. Maria Al-Faleh, what about sun? Sun is non-living thing. Where should I put it?
You should put it in the community.
It's non-living. The sun is non-living. So where should I put it?
Oh, ecosystem.
Excellent. Rihanna, what about a bunch of trees?
Tree.
So many trees. Where should I put it?
Community.
Are you sure? Okay, I'll put it in a community.
Ecosystem.
Okay, I'll put it. It's okay. You can put it in a community. Why? Because community is all about living things. What about rocks, ya Rital? Rocks are non-living things. Where should I put them?
In the ecosystem.
Exactly. So I have non-living and one living thing in ecosystem. They interact. The flowers needs the sun to grow up and water over here to drink so it can grow up more and more. Okay, Leon Shaheen, where should I put
Miss,
this
where's
tree?
the water?
Here, under the rocks. Where should I put this tree? In ecosystem or in community or population?
Teacher, my device is about to close, okay?
Who's singing, please?
Not me.
Okay, Leon, where should I put this tree?
Population.
Are you sure? It's one tree.
Oh no. I think ecosystem.
Yes, it goes in ecosystem. Okay.
2 minutes and we'll finish.
Really?
Who was singing, please?
Not me.
Not you? Who?
Not me.
No.
Okay.
Teacher, I usually sing, but not now. But
Okay.
not now.
If I heard you, I will mute your microphone. Okay, my dear? I'm really sorry for that. All right? All right, dear? Okay,
When are
Talia.
you finished?
Talia Badahdah, tell me, where should I put this bunch of birds? Same kind of bird, all together. I need how many? Yeah, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have a number of a same kind. Where should I put it? In a community or a population?
In a population.
Excellent. What about zebras? Where should I put it? Harayana, tell me.
Put it in the population.
Okay, excellent. Okay, what about people? Yeah, Leanne, if I want over here, see, look at community. We have only trees in a community. What do you need in a community to make up a community? You need more than one population of trees.
Yes.
Maybe you need what? Tell me. You need what? What else you need over here?
We need like people or maybe people.
Yes, excellent. We need people. Excellent, excellent. See, my girls, this can you can draw on your notebook to make an ecosystem and a community and a population. You can draw something like this. It's really fun and joyful, and it will let you learn more and more
I'm gonna do it after school.
Yes, it's optional, my dear. You can do it whenever you want and if you want, okay?
Okay.
I want to.
Now, do you have any
I'm just doing it for small. Like if
Nice.
I want to remember.
Do you have
So
any
I'm
question
gonna
about our revision today?
No.
Are you
Oh
sure?
yes,
I really understand it.
yes. I have a question.
Ask me,
I
my
do have
dear. Ask
Miss,
me. Yes, Leanne.
yes, Miss. So today, did we take a revision? Is this part of a revision
Yes,
for today?
this is a revision. Only a revision for what we took before. I mean, what we
Okay.
took in grade 3.
Yeah.
Yes,
Ah.
yes.
remember doing this stuff.
Really? Because the activity is new. This is a new activity for you, but we learned about ecosystem, community, and population. We talked about the
Yes,
small
Miss.
things.
Circle.
Yes, but the circle, this
Miss, I have a
activity is
question.
new for you. Yes, my dear.
Because in the English we had two classes. Do you have two classes in science? Because I really want two classes.
Oh, thank you. I'm so happy to hear that, but unfortunately, we have only one class per day.
Miss, but I
So
also have another question. When is a science quiz? Because I can't wait for that.
Oh, I'm so happy to hear that too. But I don't think we have quizzes right now. It's too soon for that. We still didn't start yet.
Miss, can I tell
But I
you
really
something?
understand everything. I don't have any question about the
Thank
class.
you, my
I
dear.
understand
Okay.
everything.
Anyway,
Miss, can I tell you something?
of course you can tell me whatever you need, my
Miss,
dear.
Okay,
Right?
bye.
It's
So I
really
can go
soon to
the
have
other
a quiz, but you can do for us pop
Bye.
quiz. Can you?
Bye.
Layan, again,
Wait,
please.
teacher.
Miss,
Again, Layan.
right? It's really soon for you to give us a quiz, but you can give us a pop quiz.
Ah,
like
you don't
just-
want a pop quiz. No.
I said I
not-
really wanted.
No,
a
there's
quiz,
no
like
pop
this
quizzes
quiz.
at all, my dear. At all. We don't have pop quizzes. No. It's only quiz, and I'll be telling you the date and the time, and you will have enough time to study and to revise whatever we take. Okay?
Miss, do you have
You
homework
gave
for
us
today?
pop quizzes, a lot of pop quizzes.
Oh,
Miss,
you
do
want
have
a pop
science
quiz?
homework today?
No,
I
my
want
dear.
to.
No science homework today. No science homework today.
Teacher, I watched the video that you put yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, I watched it.
Nice.
I didn't. There was a video.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The
What's
teacher just downloaded it.
Okay.
On YouTube.
That's it for today, girls. Grade 4. Thank you for listening and great job with the activity. Hope you enjoyed it and see you
Okay.
next time, inshallah.
Miss-
Bye.
Miss, I'm just gonna tell you something as fast as I can say.
Yes?
Miss, it's
Okay, I'm
thank
just gonna
you
leave.
so much. Thank you so much for giving us the experiment last.
My dear.
Before.
You
I
are
did all
most
the
welcome. You are most
brother
welcome, and I'm
likes
so
the
happy that you loved it.
My brother really likes the baking soda and vinegar.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm so happy that you liked it and you have tried it already at home. And
I didn't. Teacher, I
inshallah, we will
didn't.
come up with new experiments. Bi'idhnillah. See you inshallah next time, tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait.
Bye.
Bye, girls.
Love